has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas County, Central Saunders County, Washington County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wahoo, 28 miles north of Lincoln, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Blair, Elkhorn, Wahoo, Valley, Utan, Fort Calhoun, Meade, Waterloo, Kennard, Bennington, Cohen, Washington, and Lashera. This includes the following highways: Highway 275 between mile markers 157 and 167, Highway 77 between mile markers 93 and 108, Highway 92 between mile markers 452 and 463. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties